All right, so this is the Deriv.com website, for Deriv. Okay, so the first thing you do when you want to deposit is to log into your account. So when you log in, you will see a dashboard like this showing your account. There are different types of accounts. You can create a US dollar account, you can a cryptocurrency account. All right, so for the cryptocurrency account, there are different types. You have Bitcoin, you have Litecoin, you have USDT, you have Ethereum. All right, so as you can see, I have the US dollar account showing up here. All right, so I also have other accounts, which is the Bitcoin account and the Litecoin account. All right, I don't have any other one. These are the three I created. Now currently I don't use the US dollar account, I use the Litecoin account. So when I want to deposit, I'll come to cashier. All right, so the cashier is the part of the website that handles all activities relating to deposit and withdrawals. Anything about finance, anything that has to do with your money. In this Deriv, you come to the cashier. Okay, so when you click on the cashier, it's going to open up. All right, so this is how the cashier looks. You see the deposit at the top here. There you see withdrawal, payment agent, transfer, or fiat via unwrap. What that means is you can actually use your sovereign currency, that's the country's currency, to deposit as well, but that does not work in my country, so I use cryptocurrency to deposit. Okay, so now we have the deposit via bank wire, credit card, and e-wallet. Okay, for us this will not work. All right, so but we can use payment agent or cryptocurrency. So I use the cryptocurrency account. Okay, so now what you do is to click on the cryptocurrency. All right, so now the cryptocurrency account can be any of these or even more, right? So you can create other ones in case you don't want to use the Bitcoin and the Litecoin. Okay, I use Litecoin for deposit and withdrawals for two major reasons. Number one, little to no fees. Okay, the transfer network of a Litecoin is really cheap, right? So, and it's very fast as well. I can use Bitcoin, but I don't use it because the transfer charges are high. All right, so now second reason why I use Litecoin is that it also applies to all other cryptocurrency accounts we create here. You don't have a minimum withdrawal limit. Okay, like if you are using payment agent, you will need to have at least $10 to withdraw or to deposit. That's the minimum. But for cryptocurrency, depending on the network condition, you can withdraw as little as $1. All right, so if you maybe made a profit of $1, $2, $3, and you feel like withdrawing, for those of you that have small accounts, then you can actually just go ahead and withdraw using this method. So Litecoin is the one I use, so I'll click on it now. So when I click on it, I click on continue. All right, so once it opens up, I'm going to see the wallet address. All right, so this is the wallet address. Don't go and copy this one because this is my own. If you copy and send anything here, you'll be sending money to me. You can still do that if you want to give me. All right, so that being said, this is the address that you copy. All right, and you take it to wherever you want to transfer your Litecoin from. For me, I use Binance. Okay, so Binance is the account I use to buy cryptocurrency. Why? Because they have a P2P where I can use my country's currency to buy USDT, and then I move the money to the spot wallet and I trade it for Litecoin. Then I withdraw the Litecoin from my Binance straight to this wallet address, and when I do so, the money will appear here at the top. All right, the Litecoin will appear here almost immediately, though depending on the network conditions. Okay, so that's how it is. And now once the money has landed here, the next thing for you to do is to come to transfer. All right, so when you click on transfer, what you're about to do is you want to move the Litecoin that you just deposited from Litecoin to your MT5 trading account. You understand me? So you can still decide to move it to your USD wallet, because you also have a USD wallet or account on this same Deriv. That's if you created it at all before. Okay, so for me, I have Bitcoin, I have Litecoin, I have USD, not USDT, I mean Deriv USD. You understand me? So, but if I want to trade with the money I just deposited, I'm going to select where my money is to be at the top. So the from will be including that one. Then to Deriv SVG, that's my MT5 account. Do you understand me? So then I can transfer half of it, a portion, or even all of them. Then, or I can still select, I can still type it manually here, the amount I want to transfer, and then I will click transfer here. I can't click it now because here it's showing 0, because I don't have anything here. Okay, so yeah, that's the way it is. Now, if you want to withdraw, it's the same thing. You will need to move the money back. You need to transfer it back. So at that point, you will select your MT5. It will be at the top here. If you click on this place now, you're going to see all of them. Okay, so this is your MT5. If I click on it now and then I move it to this level, I'm going to get the money back in Litecoin. Then let me just do that for you. So I don't want to do it because of charges. I will not do it. Okay, so but when you move it, you will have your money here. All right, so now you now come to withdrawal. You come to withdrawal, because I don't have any money in my Litecoin account. It's showing this right now, but if I had money there, it will show me the place where I will put my wallet address. That is the one of my Binance where I want to send the money to. So I will draw the money from my Deriv LTC account to my Binance LTC address. Do you understand? So that is how I do it. Now, it's simple. It does not take time. It's very fast. But then also, if you don't know how to use Binance, you can watch videos on YouTube here. Okay, there are videos on how to use Binance P2P, how to use Binance. There are videos like that in this on YouTube here, not on my channel. On YouTube, you will see videos, many. So then, if you also, after watching videos and you don't know how to use Binance, you can as well buy from me. Yes, I sell any of the cryptocurrency that you want to buy. If you want to buy Bitcoin, I can sell for you. If you want to buy USDT, I can sell for you. If you want to buy Litecoin, anyone at all you want to buy, I can sell for you. So the only thing is, you just send me the wallet address, which is the one that will be appearing in your deposit. Let's say you are depositing Litecoin, for example. You come here as we've done before, and then you copy this wallet address and send to me. I will transfer it to you. Alright, that's just by the way. That's only when you don't know how to use Binance. Okay, but if you know how to use Binance, you can just go ahead and buy Litecoin directly from Binance, and then you send to this place. Now, the other method is a payment agent method, which is something that will involve using a third-party website apart from this Deriv. So that means you are going to register an account with a payment agent, which are also listed here on this Deriv. We can see one here, the Bishop Forest Academy. This is a payment agent, the Destin Trader. These are a lot of payment agents that are here. So what you do is you register with them. When you register with them, you get verified, and then you follow their procedure on how they can help you deposit on Binance. So there's a procedure you will follow. Each of them have their different procedures. Okay, so once you use any of these ones, they will be the one depositing the money for you. You understand what I mean? Yeah, they'll be the one doing it for you. So I don't use payment agents any longer because there may be a limit. When I used to use them, there was a limit of $10. Okay, but I don't use them because the LTC has no charges. Okay, so when you are using a payment agent, the amount at which you buy from them will be different from the amount at which you sell to them. So you buy from their high and you sell to them. That means you will also have what we call a spread in the transaction. Okay, so that is the difference. But for Litecoin or any other cryptocurrency, it depends on the network conditions. You understand me? So there is really no charges when you withdraw through cryptocurrency. That is what I love to use. That's what I use. Okay, so yeah, that's it for that. If you love this video, please make sure you like the video, and then you can also subscribe if you have not subscribed. And then thank you so much for watching.